services page. So the first thing I want to do is I want to select all the code from the index.html page with Control A. Control C is going to copy that content, and then we're going to right-click on demo.html and we're going to click New File. We're going to hit Control S. We're going to type out services.html. We're going to paste in that code, and we're going to start from the top, and we're going to change the title to services, and then we're going to eliminate the class active from index.html, and we're going to add that to the services area. Okay, so let's save that. I think the paragraphs are okay. And the image we're going to change the size of. We're going to keep everything else the same. And we're going to change it to services slideshow or slide. Okay, and we're going to change the aspect ratio from 1920 by 540 to 1200 by 300. Okay, so let's right click, open that in the browser, and there you go. You can see the services page. Okay, now I want to give this a H1 so we can identify what page we're on. Okay, so let's comment this out. Page name, and we're going to give it an H1 with an ID of page title. Okay, and then we're going to close that H1 and we're going to call it services. Okay, and then let's right click and open that, and there you go. So we got services and then the content, and then we're going to add H1s here. There we go. All right, so let's do this. Let's do H1 plan A, and we're going to give it a couple breaks. So we'll add 2 breaks in there. Okay, and I'm going to copy this with Control C, and we're going to do the same thing here and the same thing here. Okay, so we'll call this plan C, and this will be plan B. Okay, we'll right click, open in the browser, and there you go. We got plan A, plan B, and plan C with services. And then we want to add the footer in there too, which is already there. So we don't need to add anything. So that's all we have for this video. I'll see you in the next video where we're going to build out the portfolio page.